That is a glassy lake. So we're on our way to Umpqua Hot Springs, and I'm so nervous about this because the reviews are very, very mixed. Some reviews, people say it's beautiful, it's unbelievable, I'm sure it is, but a lot of people said that there's a lot of homeless people encamped there, and that it could be like super dirty. So we kind of don't know what to expect. We're kind of just gonna go and see what it's like. I didn't want to not go just because of a bad review, so we're gonna go check it out.
So we made it to the hot spring, or at least the parking lot, and there were, I don't know, like 10 cars there and a bunch of camper vans, so we decided there was too many people. Okay, we didn't want to do the hike, the 2-mile hike to get to the hot spring, get up there and realize that it's just full of naked people, so we don't need to expose our children to that, so we're going to go to a waterfall instead.
Okay, change of plans. We're gonna go do some waterfall hunting today. This is the 3rd tallest waterfall in Oregon. It's called Watson Falls. So we're gonna go do a hike, 1 mile, 370 feet elevation. So it should be pretty fun. It's a nice loop trail. Ancient forest everywhere, it's huge trees. It's gorgeous here. I look extra scraggly. I think I need to shave. Ugh.
Of our paths, feelings part our ways, keeping us close but estranged now. Dreams holding us closer, meadows of our youth, 107 days, but recalling it backwards. Our dreams holding us closer. So clear.
I know.
Ooh, we can see so clear.
I looked it up. Hey guys, let's see that.
That's
forest or ancient waterfalls?
18 water.
Let's go. Jude already got a boo-boo. Ouchie wawa. That water's freezing. Whoa, cool. Nice.
No, look at this guy.
Where are you? Down in your cave.
Cave. Yeah.
Come on, let's go. Let's keep going.
Okay.
Oh, you're in for a beautiful view. You're gonna be blown away.
All right, this
Yeah.
whole hike so far has been pretty mind-blowing.
Yeah, you're almost there.
Sweet.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, you okay?
Yeah.
You just slid right down.
Oh, this weird tree.
Mommy, now they wait.
Yeah, you guys, look at this tree.
Wow,
It's like a
weird.
fire tree.
I know they really doing stuff happening.
Weird.
Yeah, because they're really big, just like.
Unbelievable.
This is.
You're like in a, it's like a gigantic cave. Unreal. snow in here.
So you say there's a trail?
There's a trail. It's a little steep though.
A little?
It's very steep. Wait for me, you guys.
Oh, it's not that bad.
I can try.
Why don't you guys wait here and we'll go.
Oh my God.
Wow! Benji, you're brave. You can try. It gets pretty wet down there, Jude.
So we made it down here, but now we gotta try to get back up the extremely steep hill. Benji says it's freezing down here and the wind is blowing the mist of the falls right onto us.
Feels good.
It feels kind of good. Yeah, the wind is warm for some reason. I think all the hot air from the forest is coming up. So we gotta try to climb back up.
Let's try it. Daddy loves the big trees.
I love these big trees. Oh, that tree's dead. It was cut down.
Oh, geez, wow. What about the one behind it, though?
That one's fine.
That one's fine.
Show
and
Mommy
that
how big
one's
that tree is. We'll give it a big hug. Oh my
I know you don't give it up the time.
Let's see.
It is.
Pretty big.
What's mine? Wait.
Oh my gosh. Oh, that's cool. It's okay, son. Here he goes, Sydney. You made it.
Jude, what are you doing? Isn't that cold? All right, that was an awesome, unexpected hike. It was not that long, but it was a high elevation, kind of bit of a hike up there, but my word, the views and the hike there, walking through an ancient forest with 5-foot Douglas fir trees there, unbelievable. Totally worth it. There was like no one here. I think there was one other couple. Other than that, that was it. A very hidden gem. I think everyone goes to those hot springs and then no one actually thinks to go to these cool waterfalls that are in the area through all these awesome forests. So I think we lucked out today. All right, Benji, what do you want to say about the hike?
Nothing.
You little stinker. He goes, I want to say something. Okay, Benji, what do you want to say about the hike?
Nothing.
Nothing.
What did you like about it?
Poop.
Oh my god.
You liked climbing on all of the rocks.
Yeah, and in the water, the smaller waterfalls.
Okay, Judd.
What'd you like about it, Mommy?
Everything. The ancient forest trees,
I like the bunny.
how green it was, the waterfalls were so cool. Just everything about
yeah.
being in there. Like the smell, it smelled so good. It was piney and so fresh.
All right, Benji, what do you have to say?
Poopy runs.
Very insightful.
Thank you!
All right, that's time. It's time to go. We got to get back home. We still have to make lunch. It's like 1 o'clock or later, and everyone's getting grumpy and sleepy. So until next time, adios.